How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from the Scale Model Car Guy channel, and today's video is going to be a stash ad, and then I'm going to talk about a buddy of mine that's got a huge model collection for sale. So if any of y'all out there that know anybody that buy huge collections, I'll leave the description below. And my buddy Doug, he's gonna eventually set up a YouTube channel, and he'd like to become part of the community. He's a model builder and everything, but he's just got so much stuff right now. He's got to start thinning down, I guess. And matter of fact, these models that I bought off him, all these vintage JOHAN kits, I got off him. So you guys, if any of y'all are interested, like I said, I'll leave the description below. But let me show you what I got going on first, and we'll talk about that later. And two, I want to thank all my subscribers, all my old subscribers, new subscribers. If it wasn't for y'all, I wouldn't have a channel. And then I would like to say too, you know, all the tribute builds going on in the community right now for all the community members that have lost family members. You know, it's my heart goes out to you, prayers go out to you. I can't imagine losing a son of mine or losing my wife. I just couldn't imagine. I lost my mom about a year ago. It'd be a year in November, so believe me, you know, and just lost a buddy at work. You know, my heart goes out to you, and you know, there's not much more I can say about it, and I will be jumping in on the builds, but I'm going to make a separate video for Veronica and Bella. I just hadn't had time this week with my work schedule and everything, but I'm hoping next week I can get those videos made of what the builds are going to be. And I'm not going to be able to start on them until I get this buddy build with Xavier finished, because I just don't have the room. I can only do one model at a time. But and I really haven't got much done on me and Xavier's buddy build, but my job's fixing to get back to the way it normally is, and once it gets back to the way it normally goes, then I will have more time to get some building done. As of right now, I just haven't hardly had any time. But with that being said, let me show you what I got off old Dougie boy. Y'all know me, every time I get a chance, I buy vintage JOHAN kits, and I love the JOHANs. Like I've said many a time, they were always my favorite kits. You know, so I'm trying to buy back as many as I can. And let's start it off right here. First one is the F85 wagon. It's a 61 Oldsmobile, and there you go. Never been built, molded in a real light yellow color. And matter of fact, I got another one over there, and it's molded the same way. JOHANs, you just don't never know what you're gonna get. The next one of my personal favorites, the Comet. That there is probably about a 71 or so, somewhere around in there, Comet. This one here is the Boss 429 Pro Stalker Mercury Comet. There you go, you see the box art. This one here is molded in like a bright yellow. I'll show you here. Bright yellow. Love the comics and the Mavericks for sure. And Let's see, I got another one of them too, because I got one up there in my stash, and I have a crap load of JOHANs. I keep buying them up, and I bought another one of these too. You know I love these. This is about the third one I got in my stash now, and it's molded in white. Let's see. I got one of these. I don't have none of these in my stash. This is the first one right here, and that is like a 1960, I think, police emergency wagon. And then right here, 1970 Torino hard top. I had one of these when I was a kid, and I remember it being molded in black. This one here is molded in like a tan, desert tan. Yep, tan color. Let's see. I don't have one of these in my stash, so that's also a new one to the stash. These others, the Torino, or not Torino, the Tornado. I said Torino. I don't know why I'm saying Torino. Tornado, and the police wagon, and the 62 Crosser I do not have in my stash. So I do now. Let's see. Look at here, steel sealed. 1964 Cadillac hardtop. Steel sealed. I have one of these in my stash, and it's a builder kit, and it's painted pink. And I have to strip it one of these days, but this one here has not been touched. And to go with it, right here, the 64 Cadillac Coupe de Ville convertible. It's got a hole in it right here, but it's not been opened. And boy, I'll do an unboxing on these unopened ones for sure. And because I like to just see what the colors are going to be. You never know. You know, JOHANs are a mystery. You never know what the colors are going to be. Let me stack that out of the way. And then for the very best kit, I do not have one in my stash. And Doug, I love you, brother. I love you. Look at this. Cartoon box. The machine. This is 1970 Rebel machine. You can build this thing one of two ways. You can build it right there, the funny car, or you can build it the Rebel machine. And like I said, I'm going to do some unboxings of these. And this thing's never been touched. Thing's excellent shape. There. And guess what, guys? I don't care how much a model costs. It's going to get built. I will do an unboxing on it too. Then I got some builder kits. Got a flat box. Look at that. It's a Oldsmobile Tornado. And let's see. I got some builder kits. What's that right there? It's a Javelin. I got the parts for it. They're in here. Got another AMX builder. A body. Another AMX. And another Comet. And a Maverick. Look there, Pro Stock Maverick. I'm going to do this one. This one's going to probably be the Fast Eddie Sharpman Maverick. Or the Dino Dawn when I build it. I don't know. I ain't made my mind yet. I got to get some more of these Mavericks. I try to buy as much of them Mavericks as I can. They're so hard to get. This one here is the 6-cylinder Maverick. Little Ford 6-cylinder. I got the piece to it in there. Look at that. I got all these off old Doug. And like I was saying, guys, I'm going to leave pictures of some of his stash. It's unreal. Doug, he probably got enough to fill 6 hobby shops, and I'm not exaggerating. He's got old annuals. He's got, you know, the AMT, MPC annuals. He's got, man, he's got everything. the old Dodge vans, the old Dodge trucks. Dudes, y'all know what I'm talking about. The MPC stuff. He's got JOHANs. He's got vintage AMT. Man, he's got so much stuff. Like I said, he is a model builder, has been for 50 something years, whatever it's been. He's built and built and built, and he's got so much stuff that he says just time to start downsizing, because I think him and his wife plan on eventually selling their place, and his shop is so full. He is so full he can't even work on a model right now, because his desk covered, everything's covered, and the man loves to build. And like I said, I'm going to get him set up on YouTube here before too long. And when I do, I'll get y'all over there to subscribe to him and everything. But for now, he's trying to get his collection down to where he's only got, about 1,000 or so of his own to keep. And then some of his built-ups and stuff. But he's pretty much ready to sell off the whole thing almost. And so if any of y'all are serious or know a serious collector, or even a guy that sells or whatever that will resell whatever, he really don't care, he just got to move some of this stuff, and or he don't have to, he's in the mood to do it. You better catch him while he's in the mood to do it, because you never know. But I'm going to leave his email in the description. He could probably send y'all a photo album of some of the stuff he's got. And matter of fact, I'll put at the end of this video, if y'all stick around, I'll put some pictures of his stuff, and it's not even all of it. So I'm going to let y'all contact him. Like I said, you can contact him by email, and I'll leave it in the description below. And well, I guess that's about all I got to say right now. Hopefully I can get him up on YouTube for too long. But until then, enjoy the pictures, stick around, and if any of y'all know anybody that's serious about buying collections, or even some of them, whatever, go talk to him. All right, bye.